Hi everyone, welcome to Impact Academy of Human Excellence. Right? In our academy, we offer coaching for all the different examination related to the defense. Right? Here we provide coaching and training as well as. Why? Because we call when you see the SSB, definitely we need a training for that one. So we provide that training too in our institute. Okay, and our major focus will be on all the defense examinations. We majorly focuses on the defense examinations and we provide the coaching and assistance also regarding the job application and all the things. Right? Next, today we are going to see about the most important thing. Right? So today we are going to discuss about the AFCAT-2025 Feb 22nd paper analysis. Okay, majorly we will discuss on the quant and reasoning. Okay, we majorly discuss on the quant and reasoning. Now see here in this year's paper, if you observe the AFCAT examination, they are providing us. They have given around, we have 4 parts, right? English, arithmetic, reasoning and general knowledge, right? When it comes to English, usually they used to ask around some 25 questions or 30 questions. When it comes to arithmetic, the same combination. They used to ask us 25 and 30. When it comes to reasoning and this general studies, they will ask around 50 questions from this one. Okay, but this year what happened is they have asked 25 questions from this arithmetic portion and 30 questions from the English portion. So today we will majorly discuss on the questions based on this arithmetic, and we all know one thing, this examination is an online based examination. So all the questions which we got are purely from the student feedback only. So there may be some discrepancy regarding the questions, but we tried our best to give you the exact questions which was asked in the examination. So, right now we will see some of the questions which was asked in the examination, right? Now we will see here. Now see here, a sum becomes 9 times in 2 years at compound interest. What is the rate of interest? This is one of the questions which was asked in today's examination, right? Now please see here, a sum becomes 9 times in 2 years. So usually sum becomes 9 times means my amount will become 9p. So what is the formula for amount in compound interest case? Amount, we have formula p into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of n. So see here my amount is 9p, p into 1 plus rate of interest, that is the thing which we need to calculate here, whole to the power of 2. Now pp will get cancelled. When I send 2 to that side, it will become square root of 9, that is equal to 1 plus r by 100, right? So what you will get here, square root of 9 is 3, 1 plus r by 100. So here you will get r by 100 as 2 and rate of interest is 200%. Rate of interest is 200%. So option D, right? Option D. This is one of the questions which was asked in today's examination. Next one. Next. See here, there are 2 boxes. One box contains 7 red, 4 green and 3 white balls, and another box contains 4 red, 6 yellow and 4 blue balls. Find the probability of drawing a red ball from this. Okay, I think they given us the option something like this: 11 by 14, 11 by 28, 9 by 14 and 9 by 28. These are the options they given for us in the examination. Now see here, there are 2 boxes. One box contain, okay, 7 red. Box 1 contains 7 red, 4 green and 3 white. When it comes to box 2 contains how many? 4 red, 6 yellow and 4 blue balls. 4 red, 6 yellow and 4 blue balls. Now please see here, from this I need to pick 7 red color. So first of all, they didn't mention us anything clearly from which bag we need to pick. So there is chance that the red ball may be from bag 1 and the red ball can be from bag 2. So our selection starts from bags only. So the probability of picking bag 1 is 1 by 2 and probability of picking bag 2 is also 1 by 2. Why? Because from these 2 bags I can pick any one out of these 2. Right? Next, 7 red balls. So total probability of picking red balls will be what? Here in this bag. So total how many balls are there for me here? 14 balls. From that I need to pick red color, so 7 by 14. When it comes to this bag, what is the chances I will have? Total number of chances are 14, and from that I need to pick red color, that is 4. That is 4. Now please observe here, when you see these type of problems, now first bag probability is 1 by 2 into 7 by 14 plus to pick a red color bag from second bag, what you will have? 1 by 2 into 4 by 14. 1 by 2 into 4 by 14. So that implies what you will get here? 7 by 28 plus 4 by 28. In all, we will get our answer as 11 by 28. So in this manner, we will need to answer our question. So here the answer is 11 by 28. 11 by 28. Okay, next one. A girl goes to the station from home at 3 kmph and reaches 10 minutes late, and she goes at a speed of 4 kmph and reaches 5 minutes earlier. Find the distance. Find the distance. This is the question they asked us in the examination. Now please see here, the girl related to time and distance for us. So here we have two cases. In the first case, she is reaching the station by what time? Late by 10 minutes. And in the second case, she is reaching the station 5 minutes early, right? So 10 minutes late to 5 minutes early. What is that? This is case 1 and this is case 2. What is the time difference between these two cases? The time difference between these two cases is 15 minutes. 15 minutes. That means, tell me in which case she will take the more time. In my first case. Why? Because she is late, right? So T1 minus T2 is equal to 15 minutes. What is the formula for time do we have? Time formula is distance by speed. Distance, that is the thing we need to calculate here. Distance by, in first case, what is our speed? 3 kmph minus d by, in second case, what is our speed? 4 kmph. So that is equal to, actually this is 15 minutes, right? And the speeds are in kmph. So we will convert that into hours. So 15 by 16, it becomes 1 by 4 hour. Okay, so when you solve this one, what is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. So you will get 4d minus 3d, that is equal to 1 by 4. So 4 ones, 4 threes. So d value will become what? 3 kilometers. So the distance between her house and station is 3 kilometers. Sorry. So here the answer is 3 kilometers. Here the answer is 3 kilometers. Right. Next one. See here, a man spent 75% of his salary. Okay, his expenditure is 75. His salary is increased by 20% and expenditure by 15%. What is his savings? This is the question they asked us. Now see here, assume that man's salary is some 100 rupees, right? So his expenditure is 75 rupees and savings will become how much? 25 rupees according to the first case. Now his salary was increased by 20%. That means now his new salary is 120 rupees and his expenditure by 15%. His expenditure is increased by 15%. What is his actual expenditure? 75. So what is 15% of 75? 15% of 75, when you calculate it, what is the value you will get? 10.25. You will get 10.25 as 15. So now add 10.25 to 75. 75 plus 10.25. So what is the value you will get? 85.25 rupees. So now his expenditure is 85.25. So out of 120, if 85.25 is his expenditure, what will be his savings? What will be his savings? His savings will be some around, okay, 14.75 plus 20. So 34.75 rupees will be his savings. This is his expenditure and this is his savings. So 120 minus 85.25, you will get 34.75 rupees as his savings. Now please observe here. His previous savings was what? 25 rupees. Now his savings was 34.75. So how much is increased from year to year? 9.75. By what is the actual savings? 25 into 100. 25 into 100. So 25 ones to 25 fours. 9.75 into 4. 9.75 into 4. We will get this as 39%. 39%. 39%. Okay, students. If there is any difference, sometimes the options may be wrong. Why? Because we are collecting the data, right? We don't have exact question paper. So we randomly pick the questions. So because of that reason, sometimes this may happen. Don't worry. The question is of this pattern. They ask some question based on the salary and expenditure. Okay. So the answer for this data is 39%. Next one. See here. A person has a chemical of rupees 25 per liter. In what ratio should water be mixed in the chemical so that After selling the mixture at rupees 20 per liter, he get a profit of 25%. He get a profit of 25%. Now please observe here. Very clearly they are telling that this there is a chemical of rupees 25 per liter and he should add water. Generally, these type of cases we consider water is free of cost. Water is free of cost and then we will solve accordingly. Right? Now see here, he is selling at 20 rupees per liter and he is getting a profit of 25%. 25%. That means SP is equal to here 20 rupees, right? And SP is equal to, at the same time I can write this as 125% of CP. The reason is he is getting a profit of 25%. 25%. So therefore, what I can write, 125% of CP is equal to 20 rupees. Then what will happen to 100% of CP? 100% of CP, if you cross multiply it, you will get this as 16 rupees. 16 rupees. That means initially the actual price of the chemical is what? 25 per liter, but he is diluting it to rupees 16 per liter by adding some water. So in what ratio we need to mix that chemical and water? That is the question. Okay. In what ratio should water be mixed with chemical? So please be careful. We need to mix water with chemical. Water with chemical. Okay. So first we need to write the water portion and then only chemical. Okay. Please be careful, students. So water, already I have told you, we consider that as free of cost. When it comes to chemical, it is actually 25 rupees per liter. Now we should take this cost price here. Okay, 16. So what is the difference between these two? 9. And what is the difference between these two? 16. 16. So our answer is 9:16. So please see here, I think there will be some change, whether it is water or chemical, it might be reversed little bit. But if the question is water mixed with chemical, means we need to write our answer as 9:16. If the question is what ratio should the chemical mixed with water, means then we should write our answer as 16:9. Okay, I think this one was nearer. But the actual thing is water is to chemical is 9:16. 9:16. That will be our answer here. Next one. Now, see here, A and B can do a work in 30 days. If efficiency of A is a double of B, then in how many days individually they can complete the work? Now A and B together they are taking how many days to finish the job? 30 days. When it comes to their efficiencies, okay, when it comes to the efficiencies of A and B individually, if efficiency of A is a double of B, means efficiency of A will become 2 and efficiency of B becomes here 1, right? 2 and 1. Now what will be their combined efficiency? 3. Their combined efficiency will be 3. So what is the total work we will get here? 30 into 3. Why? Because total work is number of days into efficiency. So 90, right? In how many days individual can complete the work? That means it may be in how many days A will complete the work individually. That will be the question. So number of days, what it becomes? 90 by 2. If you solve it, you will get 45 days. 45 days. 45 days will be our answer here. Okay, right. Next one. A alone can complete half of a work in 150 days. In 50 days, what percentage of the work will be completed by A? Now see here, A can finish the work, half of the work in 150 days, right? That means A one full work in how many days? 300 days, right? In 50 days, he will complete what portion of the work? So what you will write? 300 by 50 in general. Please do it 300 by 50. Instead of that, if you are very good, what you can directly write? 50 by 300. Why? Because in one day A can do 1 by 300 work. So in 50 days, 50 into 1 by 300, you will get 1 by 6 work. That means he will finish 1 by 6 of the work. So what is our question? What percentage of work will be finished completed by A? 1 by 6 means what? 16 2 by 3. 1 by 6 is nothing but 16 2 by 3. We all know. Fraction to percentage. 1 by 6 into 100. If you do it, you will get 16 2 by 3, but they given it as 16.67. Anyway, both are same. 16 2 by 3 or 16.67, both are same. Almost, more or less. Next one. Buy 3 and get 1 at 100 rupees. If a man buys 20 shirts for 20,000 rupees, what is the price of a shirt? What is the price of a shirt? Now, what is the offer they given for us here? If you buy 3 shirts, you will get 1 shirt for 100 rupees. That means A group of 4 sheds I can make, right? In this, 3 sheds will be some cost, but 1 shed will be of 100 rupees. 1 shed will be of 100 rupees. We don't know what is the price of the remaining 3 sheds. Now, he purchased total in how many sheds? 20 sheds. 20 sheds means how many fours you will get there? How many fours? 5 fours. That means you will get 5 sets. 5 sets. In each set, what we will have? We will have 3 normal sheds and 1 offer shed. 1 offer shed. If you observe like this, so total how many sheds we will get? In each set we will have 3 sheds and 1 offer shed, right? So 5 into 3, 15 sheds at normal price and 5 sheds at offer price. 5 sheds at offer price. 5 sheds at offer price. Right? Now see here, 15 sheds. I will assume X rupees for each. So 15 into X plus 5 offer sheds, 100 rupees each. This is totally, this one is total equal to 20,000. This is equal to 20,000. Now see here, from this what I can write? 15x plus 500 is equal to 20,000. So 15x will become how much for me? 19,500. So 15 ones, 15 ones, okay, 13s, right? So what you will get here? 1300 rupees per each shed. Normal shed price is 1300 and 1 shed we will get for 100 rupees. So when you buy 20 sheds in total, this is the case which is happening here. Next one. Inlet pipe can fill a tank in 8 hours, but due to leakage by another outlet pipe, it fills the tank in 10 hours. In what time the outlet pipe can empty? Half full tank. Okay. Half full tank, not a full tank. So please be careful here. Now see here, generally inlet can fill the tank in how many hours? 8 hours. But due to the leakage in the tank, it is taking what time? That means inlet plus leak. It is taking 10 hours of time. So what is the total work here? You can take the LCM of, these are times. Okay, LCM of times. What is the total work we will get? LCM of 8 and 10, it is what? LCM of 8 and 10, it is 40. So what will be the efficiencies? Efficiency of inlet pipe will become what? Efficiency of inlet pipe is 5 and efficiency of inlet and outlet together is what? 4. Now what is the reason? Now from this tell me what will be the efficiency of leakage here? What will be the efficiency of leakage here? Efficiency of leakage will be 1. And generally we will take the leakage efficiency as -1 for understanding. Why? Because inlet efficiency is 5. So 5 plus leakage, that should be equal to 4. That means leakage value will become how much? -1. -1. But this is only for representation. But when you calculate for the half tank, now with -1 efficiency, it can empty the half tank. In half tank means how much work we will have? 20. 20 work we will have. So 20 tank, it should empty with -1 efficiency. So generally while calculating the time, we will not bother about this efficiency, whether it is minus or plus. So that means it will take how many hours? It takes 20 hours to empty the half tank, not the full tank. It takes 20 hours to empty the half tank. It takes 20 hours to empty the half tank, right? Next one. Angle between hour and minute hand at a 5:15. 5:15 means what is the time we will have? 5:15. So angle between two hands of the clock at 5:15. We have one formula, theta is equal to modulus of 30x minus 11y by 2. Okay, here x represents hours and y represents minutes. So what you will get here? Modulus of 30x means 30 into 5 minus 11 into 15 by 2. Okay. So what you will get here? 150 minus 11 15s, 165 by 2 means 82.5. 82.5. So what you will get here overall? You will get the value as 67.5 degrees. 67.5 degrees is the answer for us here. So the angle between two hands of the clock 5:15 is 67.5 degrees. Next one. A shopkeeper bought 750 fruits for rupees 60 each and set the selling price such as by the selling 600 fruits, he would gain 40% of total. If 120 are spoiled, what is his profit? Now see here, selling 600 fruits, he would gain 40% of total. 40% of total is getting the gain. Now see here, first of all, What is his total investment here? He purchased 750 fruits and each fruit cost is 60 rupees. This is his total investment. And on this, he is getting a gain of 40%. 40% of total. That means we need to calculate what is 40% of this. That means 140 by 100. So this is his total income. This is his total income after selling 600 fruits. This is his total income after selling 600 fruits here. So now when you calculate it, what you will get here? 0 zeros will get cancelled and we will be left with 75 into 6 into 140. We don't require each one price now itself. Why? Because later we will see what will happen. This is the price of 600 fruits. This is the price of 600 fruits. Okay. This is the price of 600 fruits. Now what will be the selling price? SP of 600 fruits is, this is the SP of 600 fruits. Now what will be the SP of one fruit? What will be the SP of one fruit for us here? That means very simple. What we can write? 75 into 6 into 140 by 600. Okay, one fruit selling price we will get 75 into 6 into 140 by 600. That is the selling price of one fruit. Next, he is telling that 120 are spoiled. He purchased 750, but out of that 750, 120 are spoiled. That means he will sell how many fruits? Only 630 fruits. He will sell 630 fruits. Now we will write that 630 here. That means therefore, SP of 630 fruits will become what for us? 75 into 6 into 140 by 600 into 630. Now cancel it. 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 ones, 6 tens. So 0, 0 get cancelled. So at last what we are left here? 75 into 14 into 63. We will calculate this one. 75 into 14, what you will get? 4 5s, 20 and 2 will be left. So 30. And you will have 5 and 7. So 0, 5, 1050 into 63. 1050 into 63. So 105 into 63, what you will get here? 5s, 1 and 3. Next 630. Right? 630. So what you will get? Here we should not write 630. 630. So what you will get here? 5, 1, 6, 6615. 66150. Why? Because we have 1050 here. So this is the total amount he will get. But what is his investment? 75 6R. 75 6R, what you will get here? 750 into 60 is his investment, right? Right? So you will get 450 and 00. So his investment is, overall his investment is 45,000 and in return he got 66,150. 66,150. That means what is his profit here? What is his profit here? Very clearly his profit is here 21,150 is his profit here. So first of all, we will see the actual cost price for him. 750 fruits at 60 per each. So 750 into 60, you will get 45,000. And then next, he is selling 600 fruits. And by selling 600 fruits itself, he is getting a profit of 40% of the total. So that means 40% profit means in general what we will write? 140% of CP. Right? So this value I am writing it as 140 by 100. So 140% of CP means CP is 750 into 60 into 140 by 100. Actually, you can write directly if you want 45,000 here. Anyway, you will get the same answer. But that is not that much important for us. Later anyway, it is getting cancelled. So by that we calculated that selling price of 630 fruits is something 66,150 and here it is very clear how much profit we are getting. Right? Next one. Select the Venn diagram that best illustrates the relation between the following classes: planets, Mars and Venus. We all know planets is the largest group. In that Mars is one planet and Venus is another planet. There will be no relation between these two things. So in this manner we will write that one. Next one. Find the question mark in the given pattern. This is one of the questions they asked us. See here, I will write in the middle of the board. So 9, 31, 50, 7, 21 and 42. And they given a question mark 43 and 11. Now if you observe this one, what you can do is, this is row 1, row 2, row 3. If you observe carefully, 31 plus 50, what is the sum? What is the sum of these two? 81. So 81 and 9. What is the relation? Either it may be 9 square or 81 divided by 9. There are two chances for us. Next, at the same time, 21 plus 42, what you will get? 63. 63. Now observe here. Now you will get a conclusion. 81 by 9 is 9. 63 by 9 is 7. Similarly, 43 plus 11, what you will get? 54. So 54 by 9, what you will get the answer? 6. So our answer for this one is 6. 6 is the answer for this question. Next. Sorry, 9. In a class of 42 students, Nita's rank is 11 from the top. What is her rank from the bottom? See, this one is based on ranking test. Usually we will have left rank plus right rank minus 1 is equal to total. So anyway, from the top we will consider it as left and bottom we will consider it as right. So total students are 42 and our rank from the first is 11 and from the last we don't know. I will consider that as right rank. Okay, minus 1. So what you will get? 42 is equal to 10 plus R. So from the right side our rank will become how much? 32. From the right side our rank becomes 32 here. So the rank of Nita from the bottom is here 32 rank. Right? Next one. See here, what is the next number in the sequence? If you observe carefully, what is the sequence they given for us? 32, 30, 29, 29, 30, 32 and what comes next? What comes next? Now please observe what is the difference between these two? Minus 2. What is the difference between these two? Minus 1. What is the difference between these two? 0. 0. Now please observe how the pattern is going. Next it became what? Plus 1. Right? Next it became plus 2. Now please observe minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Next it should be what? Plus 3. Next it should be plus 3. So our answer for this one will become how much? 35. 35. 35 is the answer for us here. Next one. In each of the following question, identify the diagram that best represent children, studious and naughty. Okay. So there are children. Children is one group. In that, naughty people, see, naughty means it includes students, not only children, some elders will be also be naughty. So we will take that in this intersection manner. And studious. Not only students, some other category people also will be studious. Because of that reason, the diagram for this one will be in this manner. Okay? The diagram for this one is in this manner. So this will be the logical Venn diagram for this. Now see here students, as I have already told you, these questions, all the questions which we have collected are purely based on what? The student feedback. That means the students who have already attempted the questions, we used to collect the data from them and then we will produce the same thing here. Okay, right? So we will see some more questions. Right. A shopkeeper buys an article for rupees 360. Okay. A shopkeeper is buying an article for rupees 360. Right. And then he wants to gain 25%. Okay. A shopkeeper buys an article for rupees 360. He wants to make a gain of 25%. He wants to make a gain of 25% on its after a discount of 10%. Okay. Gain of 25% after giving a discount of 10%. After giving a discount of 10%. Here we can use the concept of effective percentage. Now see here, effective percentage. We have x plus y plus xy by 100. If it is increased, we will take positive value. If it is decreased, we take that as negative value. Right? Now see here, effectively you should get a gain of 25%. So that means initially you should increase the price, right? Initially, what is the question? 1 second. Give me a second. Right? A shopkeeper buys an article for 360. Okay. The market price is. Okay. He purchased, the cost price is 360 and they are asking us the market price. They are asking us the market price. So now we will see. We don't know initially how much it is marked up, but he given a discount of 10%. So minus 10 into x by 100. So when I send 10 to this side, it becomes 35 is equal to x minus x by 10. So you will get 35 is equal to 9x by 10. 35 is equal to 9x by 10. So x value you will get what here? 350 by 9%. 350 by 9%. That means initially increased the price by 350 by 9%. So similarly now what I need to do? The price. So it is given it as 360 rupees. Now we need to mark up it by 350 by 9%. We need to mark up it by 350 by 9%. So what we will get here? 350 by 9%. We need to mark up the price. So 100 plus 350 by 9, right? Percent. We know that 100 percentage is 360. So what will be this percentage? What will be this percentage? If you observe this one, solve this one, what you will get? 1250 by 9%. Okay. So what you can write now? 100 is 360. So 1250 by 9 will become what? Simply cross multiply it. 100 into some A is equal to 360 into 1250 by 9. 9 ones 9, 40s, 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. So A value will become 125, 4s are 500. That means he should sell the product for what price? 500 rupees. He should sell the product for 500 rupees. Right? In this manner, like this, they asked different questions. We will see the remaining questions in our next session. Okay, not only this, we will also observe the questions which was asked in the reasoning also. Okay, tomorrow also we have one more session. We will discuss all the questions from the quant and reasoning, and then we will see how the question paper was given. And once again, I am repeating, in our Impact Academy, we give coaching for CDS, NDA, AFCAT, and all the defense related examinations. And we are very good at giving the SSB coaching. So if anyone have already cleared this CDS or AFCAT or any other examinations, you can approach our institute. Below you will have the phone numbers and all the contact details. Please do contact, right? Thank you very much.